Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to target US audience on TikTok. It's pretty easy thing to do. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can target the US audience for your TikTok videos. So for that, you need few things. So the first one is you need to have a VPN. In my case, I have this Super VPN, and the second thing is obviously your TikTok app. So you just need to install this app from your Play Store or App Store. So you can download any VPN that is suitable for you. After installing it, we have to open the VPN first. And now you have to turn the VPN on for the specific location. You just need to change the location as United States of America. So we can select the location from here. As you can see, there it is US. So just tap on US and tap on this connect, and it will connect your VPN. So after, you just have to start posting your content and make sure nothing in your account has been linked to your country's region. So just need to create a new account if you have already linked with a lot of things, and you just need to start posting your content. Try to post your content in the American style and try to post the content in English. So that's how you can guys perfectly mimic the content in United States, and the TikTok algorithm will definitely take it as a US content and it will try to grow your content in US. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.